All right, how to put together a Galaxy Watch. We're going to do it right now and show you how to do it. So if you look, you're going to see there's a little tab here, and you've got to pull that back, and that retracts it. And this kind of pushes into your finger, so don't do that. They both have them right there. Okay, I know this is kind of weird because I'm in the bathroom doing this, but I had to come in here because my family was being loud. So when you put this on, you want this down, all right, with the thing. So you got to go like this. You got to put it this way, with this side this way. You're going to slide the one side in, and then you've got to take your finger on here, pull this back, and then try to slide it into the other hole. And there, we got it. Bam, done. Okay, so first we're going to put the back in here. And then what I've got to do is retract this, my fingernail, and try to find the hole. And bam, I got it. There it is. Got both sides. So that's it. Make sure you got it on there. All right, this is the charger here. So you got to plug that into a UBS. And then you're going to set your phone right on there and let it charge up. And that's basically it. And then we'll check it out and see how it works. All right? All right, let's see if this thing's got any power on it. So I'm just going to start pressing a couple buttons on it. Anything happen? Hold it. Oh, look at that. Bam. Something came up. Samsung Galaxy, what you call it? Watch active 2. All right, so the watch is active. It's ready to go. All right, now all we got to do is pair it with the Galaxy phone, and Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.